Hello there, it's the Friday the 11th of January. I thought I'd do some live trading. I'm sorry, I thought I was already recording, but I realised I wasn't. But as you can see with this nice big green candle here, I placed a 250 trade to say that the price is going to go down from that point. And as I say, you can see that the candle's popped out of the Bollinger Band. And I'm just going to wait now and see if I get this trade right. Now what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do maybe 2 or 3 trades. This first trade is just to test the market, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to up my game. So I'm going to go from 250 up to $1,000 a trade. Now if you want to get access to a robot that does this for you on complete autopilot, and look, as I speak there, I've got that trade of 250, so that's giving me a return of $487.50. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep watching the charts here and see if I get the next signal, and I'm going to up my trade to $1,000. And as I say, if you want to get access to a robot that does this for you on complete autopilot, then below this video you're going to find a link. Click on that link, it will take you over to a page where you can pop your name and your email address in, and I'll send you details of how you can get access to a robot that does trading on complete autopilot. Of course, if you want to learn this stuff, I'm going to be teaching this stuff. Myself and my colleague are doing a video course and an ebook course to show you how to do this manually. But if you don't want to go through that learning curve, then I highly recommend that you get our robot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this video right here, and I'm going to rejoin maybe in a few candles time. Each one of these candles is 1 minute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this video here, and as soon as I see some signals, I will then start to record again. So this is looking good. There's a downward slope here, so I think we're going to be popping out of the bottom Bollinger Band in a moment, and I quite like the look of this chart, so I'm going to be placing a $1,000 trade. So there, I'm going in any moment now. Let me just wait, and I've actually think this is quite good, so I might place 2 trades in one go. So there you go, I've hit 2 trades there. So I'm trading with $2,000, okay? Because I like the way the chart's looking, and if you want to know how I analyze the charts, then you're going to need to get access to our training that was going to be coming out very soon. We've got an ebook and some video training. But if you don't want to go through the learning curve, as I said earlier, you can actually get a bot that does this for you on complete autopilot. Admittedly, you might not want to trade with the high amounts that I do, but I'm quite experienced, and I feel good about this chart at the moment. This to me looks like I'm very confident that I'm going to get these 2 trades, and I'm going to get the $3,920, because that's what I'll get as a return. There you go, $3,920, and I could go in with another trade, but I'm not. That's enough for me. So I've got the first trade and those 2 trades there, so that's a total profit of $2,150.50, I think. Is it right? Yes, so that's a profit of just over $2,000. Now if you want to get access to our trading robots, then below this video you'll find a link. Click that link, and that will take you over to a page where you'll pop in your name and your email address, and then I'll send you details of how you can get access to our trading robots that do this on complete autopilot for you. You have an amazing day and happy trading. I'll see you in another video. Bye now.